Hi friends, Sarah Kalowich, Senior Associate at Fintech PR here. You may have seen some hubbub on our channels last week announcing that we've officially launched our very first ebook, which we're all super excited about. It's titled Fintech PR, Strategies for Growth and Success. I want to take you through some of the key takeaways that I found particularly insightful from the first chapter, which is about building trust in the digital era and navigating the Fintech PR landscape. Before we can figure out how best to market an industry, we need to step back and evaluate the landscape or the state of being in that industry. The digital landscape is constantly changing and evolving, and that can come with some challenges when it comes to marketing a product that you want a consumer to trust. There are standards that need to be put in place in order to do that, including incorporating customer education, demonstrating expertise through media recognition, and ensuring that all communications are clear and transparent throughout all campaigns. As a former teacher myself, I have a particular affinity for consumer and customer education. I know well that basic foundations need to be established before companies can start to showcase and publicize some of the more advanced capabilities that they feature. We need to create capable users and believers in fintech products in order to ensure their success. And that starts with the basics. Follow along here and on our other social channels as we continue to unpack each chapter of our ebook every Wednesday, and make sure you download the entire ebook so you can share your thoughts along with us. Thanks. We'll talk soon.